Hi guys, welcome to my part 1 video tutorial of installing OpenMRS on Linux, specifically Ubuntu Debian distribution version of 13.04. First of all, I'm going to talk about a website or a link to where how I did this whole installation process. If you go to wiki.openmrs.org, you see here kind of gives you a step-by-step walkthrough of installing OpenMRS. I'm pretty much going to follow this word for word. The only difference is mine is a video, and there's some few steps that they left out. I'm probably not going to talk too much on the video because everything is straight out of this website. That's pretty much it. All right. I'm going to start this installation process right now. There are a few minor differences. Is like, for example, when you download Eclipse, you will not be downloading the Juno version that is outdated. You'll be downloading the newer version, which is Kepler. Okay, so have fun, guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy my video. And the reason why I paste this is because the Eclipse version I have here is installed on my home directory, and this is the version I did installed. And then after that, you will have to add in a argument. As you see here, it's extracting. Now I'm going to add some permissions to this. Make sure you're always in sudo. Again, adding permissions is very common in Linux environment. This is the major difference between Linux and Windows, where Windows tend to be unprotected. But Windows, from what I heard, Windows 8 is pretty good, and they have their security foundation has improved, and their background has changed towards closer towards Linux. Who knows? I could be wrong. Permission denied. My mistake. Again, you gotta make sure that you put the sudo in front of it. Again, I had this already copied and pasted in here, so if you guys see here off this website, you just basically take this here and copy this, and you paste it right into the editor, and I saved it after that. Similarly, I did this to the next file that I'm going to create. to change that directory here. Applications Eclipse .desktop. See, as you see here, I did the same thing here. I copied and pasted this area here, and as you see here, you see some of the changes here. These are just things that they put in here to make sure that you have the desktop entry. Alright, at this point on, this laptop here has OpenJDK hyphen 6 and version 7. So all you need to do is go into the software center, and you can install the version 7 OpenJDK. As you can see here, you see version 6 and 7. I recommend installing 6 first and then installing 7 after that. At this point on, you want to install your SQL database, or your SQL server, I apologize. Okay. Since mine's already installed, you see here, it's kind of already done. Okay, the only difference from here to what I've written myself, my own version of my own my notes how to install this, I created something called a symmetrical link, or semlink they call it. It's basically creating some sort of Eclipse icon that is accessible to launch and easier to launch. So hopefully you guys can understand this, but just follow along. Oh. And you know why this is. 1 second, guys. I apologize.